welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, are you looking for the growing organic tomato into your home garden or into your organic field and looking the way how you can start it? Then here in this video I am going to explain you in detail about starting a tomato plant from its seeds. Here in this video I am going to explain in detail all steps about raising a tomato plant nursery into the Pro Tray. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Following here, you can successfully raise tomato plant for your kitchen garden or your organic garden. So first step for raising the tomato plant nursery, we require good tomato seeds. Here we have selected this hybrid variety of the tomato seeds because hybrid variety will give a good quantity or the good amount of the tomato for our harvest. As we are starting early into season, so we need to take little care about raising the nursery. Now second thing, we are going to raise the nursery into Pro Tray. So here we have the Pro Tray. We have selected 98 hole round hole Pro Tray for our seed growing. And third thing, we require a good soil media. We have prepared a soil media like this. Here you can see this is the soil media we have prepared. This soil media we have prepared by mixing three things. One part of the garden soil, one part of the well decomposed cow dung manure, and we have added one part of the sand. This is specifically we have done to have a good drainage into this potting mix. We have also ensured the tray selection with the good hole size. Here you can see lot of big holes on the bottom. So the no water will be closed into this even after the overwatering. This will ensure a healthy plant without any rotting or the stem disease. Now first we need to prepare the soil mix well like this. Here we have prepared in advance. Then we have moistened it. Now before filling the tray, we need to ensure that the media mixture should be at the right moisture level. Now we have watered them thoroughly last night and now it is workable. Now the right moisture we can check very easily by this test. So for that we need to take a handful of the soil and then make the ball. Now this ball should remain. It should not break easily. And when we fall this ball around 2 feet height like this, so it is spreading. So neither our ball should be intact when falling and neither our ball should spread out while holding it. So this is the right condition of the soil moisture. So once our mixture reaches to this stage, then we should fill our trays. Now here, these are the tray with the 98 holes. For which what we'll do, we'll fill this media into each of the cavity. So we need to spread this media into each of the cavity. Once we fill each of the cavity like this, then we'll be leveling this. This will ensure the level filling of the soil or the media into each of the hole. Once we fill the tray like this, then we will mix a little cavity into this the media to put the seed and again going to cover the seed with the same media. So first we are going to complete the step of filling this tray with this media. So friends, now we have filled this tray with all the media. Now it is time to put the seeds. Now for putting the seeds, first we need to make some cavity into this tray. We are going to make the cavity with the help of this pen. You can use pencil or similar size of this wooden stick also for making this cavity. Now at making the cavity is very important. We are going to make the cavity around half centimeter deep. This will ensure a good germination of the tomato seed. As tomato seeds are small, we cannot sow it more deeper than this. So with the help of this pen, you simply need to push this media down around half centimeter to make the cavity. So we are making this cavity very carefully into this tray. Once we make all this cavity, then we are going to put the seeds. But before that, we need to complete the making of this cavity. Using this pen or pencil will help you to make the sharp cavity where you can put seed. So once the cavity is done, now it is time to put the seeds. So here we have just completed making all the cavity. Now for putting the seeds, we must take out some seed out into this some vessel. Here you can see these are the seeds. You can see the green color of the seeds. This is because these seeds are already treated. If your seeds are not treated, then you can treat them with the trichoderma and pseudomonas and then sow it. You can also soak the seeds for 3 to 4 hours and then treat it and then sow it. This will help the faster germination. But we are going to sow seed directly. Now sowing is a very simple. We need to put one seed each into each cavity. We are doing only one seed per cavity to ensure each plant will get the sufficient place to spread its roots and grow. You can also put initially the 2 seeds and later on you can remove one seed or one seedling which is weaker one. But we are using these hybrid seeds which are costly, so we are not going to remove any plant. We are only going to put one seed per cavity. Also, the hybrid seed have a very high germination rate, around 98-99%. So there is no question of empty spaces. So likewise, we need to complete our seed sowing work. Once we sow the seeds into this, we need to cover the seeds. So we are going to use same media for covering these seeds. First we are completing this putting of the seed in each of the cavity. Now here we have completed couple of the cavities. Now what we'll do, we'll cover these seeds with this same media. So we are carefully put the media over each seeds. So this will ensure the good moisture condition beneath around the seed and give it the good germination. So once we cover this with the media, again we need to remove all the excess media from the top. This will make all the seed having the same amount of the media on top of it, and this will have a very uniform germination. Now once we complete the sowing of the seeds, we are not going to keep it as it is. We are going to cover it with some material which will retain the moisture into this tray. That will make the good condition for the seed germination. We need to keep it covered at least for 48 to 72 hours, and that will trigger the germination. Once the germination starts and we show the sign of the germination in form of sprouting, we can remove that cover and spray with the light water. But first we need to cover this with this type of plastic so the moisture in the tray retains well. So likewise we are going to cover and keep it into the dark place. This will give a good uniform germination of the seeds. Once we open it, we need to give regular water in the morning or in the evening, light watering regularly. This will ensure a good seedling growth for the tomato plant. And after it reaches to 4 to 5 leaves, we can transplant them anywhere we want and start growing our plant. So friends, this is a simple method following which you can also generate your healthy seedling at your home only, and later on get the good healthy plant in your garden to harvest a good amount of the tomato. So friends, how do you like my method of sowing tomato seed into pro tray and create a good nursery at your home? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you like my video, please give me a thumb. And you also prepare for growing your seedling at your home, which will give you very healthy plant and ensure that you will get the right quality of the plant for your sowing. Happy growing!